That data is my religion. So just so you know, this, what I'm going to tell you is not like, hey, here's a great idea I had. No, this is like, my data fucking said this. This is it. And if I argue with you, I will argue hard with data. I will not get in a fight if I don't have the data to back it up. So from there, so this is, I mean, I ran out of paper. So when I was printing off my split test. So just to prove to you, on those 2 trips, we always take pictures because everybody, but I'm just gonna let you know, like, I do really wear this every single day. This is on that other, that's the first trip I showed you, the Boston trip, and this was the other trip. This is the Minnesota trip, same thing. And then in fact, here's on the way here. This is my bag on the way here to come to you guys. On there. Now, just to be clear, just to kind of share with you, here's how you say my name. It's Bacak. I'm from Cortland, Ohio. My wife, Stephanie, you wanna raise your hand real quick? That's my wife, she's in the back of the room. She came with me. I now live in Peachtree City. I went to Pelham High School. I graduated with a marketing degree at the University of North Alabama. When I graduated from college, they asked me if I wanted a BA or a Bachelor's of Administration or a Bachelor's of Science. They asked me that. I said, BA or BS? I want the BS degree. The whole thing is bullshit. I really do believe after going out in life and actually doing stuff, everything they taught me just drove me nuts because it's stuff that they just regurgitated from books and it wasn't from true experience. So anyway, but one of my guys that I grew up with, now I come from a small steelworking town in Youngstown, Ohio. My dad worked in a steel mill, my grandfather worked in a steel mill, and my dad would come home bleeding hands every day. And so I'm not born with a silver spoon in my mouth. But I bring that up because one of my buddies that was in the same town, he asked me, he said, how do you figure out how to make millions before you turn 30? And I said, I went to people making millions and I learned from them.